Hello students of class 5th. Now we will start chapter 2 factors that affect the climate. In this chapter we will know about the weather and climate and the factors that affect the climate through online classes. The atmosphere gets heated up during the day and cools at night. This leads to warming and cooling of the land. That is why you sometimes feel cool while at other time you feel humid or hot. Weather. The weather of a place keeps on changing from time to time. In the morning, the weather may be sunny, at noon, it may be cloudy, and in the evening, it may be rainy. Weather may change from hour to hour and day to day. Climate. Different places of world have different climate. The climate of Russia is different from India. Different regions of the country have different climate in India. Kashmir has cold weather, while the weather of Tamil Nadu remains hot throughout the year. It rains throughout the year in Meghalaya, while Rajasthan remains dry almost throughout the whole year. The climate of a place affects the food, habitat, clothing, transportation, and houses of the place. Likewise, different parts of the world have different types of climate. Some places, such as the Democratic Republic of Congo, remains hot and wet almost throughout the year. Other places, such as Saudi Arabia, experiences a hot and dry climate. Some countries, such as Canada and Russia, have very cold climate. Most of the part of the Greenland, Alaska, and Siberia are covered by thick layer of snow and ice. Factors affecting climate. The climate of a place or region is affected by many factors. The climatic factors determine the climate of a particular place. The temperature of different places is not same. It varies from place to place due to the climatic factors. These factors are distance from the equator. As we know that the earth is in spherical shape and it is divided into two parts by the equator, the northern and the southern hemisphere. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, the sun rays fall directly or perpendicularly at the equator. So the places near the equator receive more heat than the places far from the equator. These places are much hotter than other places. We move from equator toward the North Pole or the South Pole, the sun rays become more and more slanting and cover a large area. These areas are less hotter than the area near the equator. The polar regions experience very cold climate. Altitude. The altitude of a place affects its climate. The higher we go, the cooler it becomes. So the places which are located at higher altitudes are cooler than the places located at the lower altitude. Near the plains or sea level, the places such as Srinagar, Shimla, Nainital, Ooty, Darjeeling are situated at higher altitude. Distance from the sea. The distance from a place from the sea also determine the climate of that particular places. Places close to the sea are neither very hot or nor very cold. These places have moderate climate. In the summer, sea breeze keep those places cool, while in the winter, warm breeze from the sea stop them getting very cold. Humidity. The climate of a place is also affected by humidity as it causes rain as well as snowfall in some high altitude places. The distance from the sea also affect the humidity of the places. Directions of winds. Winds are also major cause of the climate of places. Winds blowing from cold regions makes a place cool. Winds blowing from hot regions make a place hot. The temperature or heat zone. The Earth is divided into three temperature zone or heat zone on the basis of the distance from the equator. These temperature zones are the tropical zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. The tropical or torrid zone. The tropical zone is the closest zone to the equator. It lies on both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. The temperate zone. This lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The frigid zone. This zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. They are called North Frigid Zone and the South Frigid Zone. This zone receives very slanting rays of the sun, so the climate of this zone is very cold. The regions which lies in this zone are covered with ice for most part of the year. Thank you.